Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Exness to TradingView. Today, I'll be showing you how to connect Exness to TradingView and whether it's actually possible to do so. Once you're logged into TradingView, look toward the top of the page, click on the option labeled Brokers. This will take you to a list of all supported brokers. Unfortunately, Exness won't appear here since it's currently not supported by TradingView. But don't worry, there are a couple of great alternatives. You can use the Exness terminal, which provides faster execution, advanced charting, tools, and a smoother, more user-friendly interface. Or if you'd like to practice your trading strategies, you can use TradingView's paper trading feature, which lets you trade virtually with no real money involved. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.